Welcome to my channel, English for Pathans. In this videoid I am going to discuss a comprehensive guide, broken down into key areas, on how to make a relationship strong.
Master the art of communication.
This is the cornerstone of every strong relationship. Practice active listening, don't just wait for your turn to talk. Truly listen to understand their perspective, feelings, and needs. Show your listening with nods, eye contact, and brief verbal acknowledgements. I see, that makes sense. Use I statements. Instead of saying, you never help around the house, try, I feel overwhelmed when I have to handle the chores alone. I would love if we could find a way to share them. This expresses your feelings without blaming or attacking, which puts the other person on the defensive. Talk about the why, share not just what you're thinking, but why you're thinking it. This builds empathy and understanding. Have regular check-ins. Set aside dedicated time without phones or distractions to talk about how you're both feeling about the relationship. Make it a safe space for honesty.
2. Build and maintain trust. Trust is the foundation. Without it, the relationship is unstable. Be reliable. Do what you say you will do. If you promise to call, call. If you agree to take out the trash, take it out. Consistency in small things builds trust for the big things. Be honest, with kindness, be truthful, even when it's difficult. Lies, even small ones, erode trust. Deliver hard truths with compassion. Be vulnerable. Allow yourself to be open and share your fears, insecurities, and dreams. This shows you trust them, and in turn, encourages them to trust you. Maintain confidentiality. What is shared in the relationship should stay there. Don't share your partner's private struggles or mistakes with friends or family. 3. Cultivate emotional and physical intimacy.
Intimacy is about feeling close and connected. Prioritize quality time. It's not just about being in the same room. Schedule regular date nights, try new activities together, or simply have a device-free conversation. Show physical affection. Hold hands, hug, kiss, cuddle on the couch. Physical touch releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which reduces stress and increases feelings of attachment. Express appreciation. Don't assume they know you're grateful. Say it. Thank you for making coffee this morning. I really appreciate you listening to me vent about my day. Keep romance alive. Surprise them with a small gift, a love note, or by planning something special. Romance is an active verb, not just a feeling. 4. Learn to navigate conflict constructively.
Disagreements are inevitable. It's how you handle them that matters. Fight fair. Avoid name-calling, contempt, and bringing up past mistakes. Stay focused on the present issue. Take a time out if needed. If things get too heated, it's okay to say, I'm too angry to talk about this rationally right now. Can we please take 20 minutes and then come back to it? This prevents saying things you'll regret. Focus on us versus the problem, not you versus me. You are a team. The problem is the enemy, not each other. Work together to find a solution. Learn to apologize and forgive. A sincere apology acknowledges the hurt caused and takes responsibility. Forgiveness is letting go of resentment for your own peace and the health of the relationship.
5. Support each other's individuality.
A strong relationship is made of two whole people, not two halves. Encourage personal growth. Support your partner's hobbies, friendships, and goals outside of the relationship. Your happiness shouldn't be solely their responsibility. Maintain your own identity. Keep up with your own friends and interests. This makes you a more interesting partner and prevents codependency. Celebrate each other's successes. Be each other's biggest cheerleader. Their wins are your wins, and vice versa.
6. Share a vision and values. Having common goals creates a powerful sense of partnership. Talk about the future. Discuss your dreams, goals, and values regarding family, finances, lifestyle, and personal growth. Ensure you're moving in the same general direction. Create shared meaning. Develop your own rituals and traditions, a weekly movie night, an annual trip, a special way you celebrate birthdays. These create a unique shared history.
Quick tips for daily strengthening.
Greet them warmly when they come home. Say, please, and thank you. Basic kindness goes a long way. Give them your full attention when they are talking to you, put the phone down. Assume the best intention. If they say something that hurts you, ask for clarification instead of immediately assuming malice. Laugh together. Share jokes, watch a funny movie, be silly. Joy is a powerful glue. Always remember.
Building a strong relationship is a marathon, not a sprint. It's the consistent, daily effort applied over years that creates an unbreakable bond. There will be good days and bad days, but if you both are committed to these principles, you can build something truly resilient and fulfilling. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel.